calling all alphas, aka kappas, SG Rhos, deltas, Qs, sigmas, zetas, and iotas. If you think you can step, we are looking for you and not a team. We are looking for the best and hardest solo steppers. One current college student and one alum from each of the Divine Nine organizations will be selected to showcase their skill, precision, intensity, and uniqueness and be a part of the Unity Step that will be showcased during RISE, recognizing and investing in student excellence. A virtual homecoming concert and celebration brought to you by the Thurgood Marshall College Fund this fall. Anyone can talk the talk, but if you feel you are the baddest stepper in your frat or sorority, we are looking for you. So old heads, dust off your boots or heels and show these young heads you still got it. Please visit tmcf.org/Unity Step for more information and submission requirements. All submissions must be received by September 4th. Represent, y'all.